In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Invincible VS game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you have been taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. And now just type in Invincible VS to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page. Here you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. And if you scroll down, you will see the Add to Cart button. Click on this option alongside your preferred bundle or edition, and you can click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. After this, you may use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. After choosing your method, enter your credentials, followed by your billing information. You can save the payment method for future use as well, and once you have completed your transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then choose your install location, and once the installation is completed, you may start enjoying the Invincible VS game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Invincible VS on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.